Hi everybody, Hank Reifsnyder here. Hope you're doing well. Shooting a quick video from the cab of my truck this evening because a good buddy of mine wrote me and said, Hank, would love it if you could put together a quick statement on how to buy vehicles, because he knows I've had a neat experience in this regard. So quick thing I'll say is, there's different ways you can buy a vehicle. You can lease cars, you can finance them, you can pay cash. I agree with Dave Ramsey, pay cash for your cars. Secondly, like sometimes people want to know, what does Dave say about how much you should spend on a car? And it's about ratios. So your vehicle should represent a very small percentage of your financial net worth. It's going to depreciate in value every year. It's going to drop like a rock. So if that asset that's going to drop like a rock in value represents too big of your financial pie, you're in trouble. Another piece of information from Dave is to say that the value of all of your vehicles, cars, trucks, anything with a motor and wheels on it, if you're not using those things to generate income, the value of all of your vehicles should represent less than 1/2 of 1 year's worth of income. And something, though, that I don't hear a lot of people talk about as it relates to buying vehicles is another strong reason to pay cash is because then you can buy them wholesale. Like the truck that I'm sitting in cost me $30,000 less than it would have cost me had I bought it new, because a buddy with a dealer's license helped me buy it wholesale. It was 3 years old when I bought it, had 6,500 miles on it. Now it's got about 12,000 miles on it, and it's going to drop like a rock in value every year. That's okay. It represents a small percentage of my net worth, and so it's not going to hurt me. 15 years ago, should I be sitting in a truck like this? No. Is it appropriate now? Sure. But remember, the point of living and giving like no one else lives and gives is so that you can live and give like no one else lives and gives. And I'm telling you from personal experience, everything on the other side of so that makes the front end of the process worth it. So stay the course. Don't try and keep up with the Joneses. Don't worry if your neighbors are driving really shiny vehicles. They're probably leasing them. Stay the course. Hang in there. Pay cash. And then remember, keep that option in your back pocket. The wholesale option is a fun way to buy cars. I hope this makes sense. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Again, this is Hank Reifsnyder, and I hope you're doing well.